Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video I'm going to show you a cool technique and we're going to use foiling and a bit of Sharpie business. So I'm going to work on a tip. If you were doing this on a natural nail, you would base coat it first and then put your gel polish on. If you were doing it on an acrylic nail or a hard gel nail, you would go straight on with your colour. And we are going to put white on first. So I'm going to put Snow White as a base colour. And
That's such a messy bottle.
I know, I so need another white, don't I? And I'm only going to put one layer on because I don't want to bulk it out, and also you're not going to see a lot of the white. So while that's in the lamp, I'm going to get my foil out. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this off. This foil has got swirls on. It's holographic. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to clean this side. So I'm going to take a melt blown wipe, or you could use a lint free wipe. Gel residue wipe off solution. Oh, and slop that everywhere. Throw it all over it.
Clean the whole desk while you're on.
Wipe over. Make that nice and clean. Set that aside. Clean the desk while you're there. And we've got that white. Now this has a sticky layer. So that's going to help us when, what I'm going to do is going to place it all on here. Like that. Look at that. And I'm going to rub. So I'm just using my finger. You could use a silicone tool as well, I'll show you. So you can take your silicone tool and really give that a rub. Going all the way to the edges. We want as much of this foil on there as we can get on there. And then you're going to tear it off. Anywhere it's not stuck like there, you're going to get a clean piece and press down and pull off.
So how come it didn't come off completely?
Because because the curvature of the nail is not the same curvature as the foil.
So it just doesn't
Won't
completely
wrap
attach to every bit.
No. So be wary of whatever base colour you use underneath will show through slightly. I think we've got enough on there now. What I'm going to do now is top coat. With the Urban Graffiti top coat, this has no sticky layer. And we're going to cure that. So in my dampened dish I have some gel residue wipe off solution. Then I'm going to get some Sharpie colours. So what we're going to do is add the colour randomly. Oh, I like this already.
seems to be like sort of intensifying the Sharpies. Because normally when you do Sharpie colours, it doesn't show up that much. But this is sort of intensifying them.
And I always put black on last. When I'm using black, I always sort of put that on last. I like to get the colours on first, so I know where they are, and then I can add a little bit of depth with the black. Now you're going to take a detail brush with the gel residue wipe off solution on. So I'm going to tap off the excess, and then I'm going to start to touch the Sharpie. You see what it does? It moves and pushes it and makes this gorgeous pattern. And you can really control it if you use a detailing brush. You don't want to oversaturate it, just do small amounts at a time. I think it gives a better effect. Oh, I'm loving it already. And you're just going to keep working that until you're happy with the pattern that you created. I like that. Now that'll dry really quickly, but make sure it is dry before you put your top coat on. You want to use the Urban Graffiti top coat for this, not Mega Gloss. Mega Gloss tends to drag it a little bit when you sort of drag through. So you can see it changes the colour of the foil underneath.
But you still get the pattern.
Yeah, you still get the gorgeous pattern. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Look at that. I love, love, love it. So you can see the purples and the greens and the black. See it all coming through. And you can definitely see that holographic. That looks amazing. How quick and easy is that as well, especially for in the salon. Super, super easy and quick. There you are, all done. What do you think about that? I haven't even had any bling on. What's wrong with me?
Quick, end the video now.
So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And I will see you in the next video. So please keep watching. Bye-bye.